Hi, I'm Mia del Mundo, Batch 18 of Superior Diploma in Cuisines and Modern of Global Academy. I worked as a pastry intern at Hyatt Regency, New Orleans, and Garment J of Brennan's New Orleans. Ever since I was young, I've always loved to cook. Growing up inside the kitchen, I've always dreamed of having my own restaurant. So, after finishing college, I decided to follow up on my dreams to be a chef. I started taking up Superior Diploma in Global Academy way back July 2015. From culinary, then baking, up to modern cuisines, I have enjoyed every single day of my class. Global Academy taught me all the skills needed in the kitchen as well as what it takes to follow through, or as I call it, the grit. I was given the opportunity to join different activities that helped me develop more of my skills and widen my culinary knowledge. Global Academy helped me to be equipped to survive the life in a real kitchen. Working as an intern in Hyatt and Brennan's was a really great experience. Being in a real kitchen is fun but also exhausting. I've worked long hours, several days a week, and different shifts, but it was all worth it. I learned more techniques. I've tried different kinds of food, some I never even knew existed. Aside from this, I was exposed to different cultures, met a lot of great people, and made new friends. I was able to travel, see new places, and live outside of my comfort zone. It's a one-of-a-kind experience that helped me grow and become a better version of myself. So there goes my story. I know it's still a long journey from here, but thanks to Global Academy, I'm prepared to face the road ahead. So come join Global Academy. It's time to put your culinary career into full color.